Welcome back to our channel, Science Simplified. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of human biology and medicine. In just 3 minutes we'll explore some groundbreaking advancements and intriguing facts about our bodies and the medical field. Let's get started. First up, CRISPR gene editing. This revolutionary technology allows scientists to modify DNA with incredible precision. Imagine being able to cut out a genetic mutation that causes a disease and replace it with a healthy sequence. Researchers are already using CRISPR to study genetic disorders and even exploring its potential to treat conditions like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Next, let's talk about the human microbiome, the trillions of microorganisms living in and on our bodies. These tiny tenants play a crucial role in our digestion, immune function, and even our mental health. Studies have shown that maintaining a balanced microbiome can help prevent illnesses and improve overall well-being. Probiotics and a diverse diet are key to a healthy microbiome. Now, onto mRNA vaccines, a breakthrough in medical science that gained global attention during the COVID-19 pandemic. Unlike traditional vaccines, mRNA vaccines use a small piece of the virus's genetic code to instruct our cells to produce a protein that triggers an immune response. This innovative approach not only led to rapid vaccine development, but also holds promise for future vaccines against other diseases like influenza and cancer. Wearable health technology is transforming how we monitor and manage our health. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers can measure heart rate, sleep patterns, and even blood oxygen levels in real time. These gadgets provide valuable data that can help us make informed decisions about our health and detect potential issues early on. And there you have it, a quick tour through some of the most exciting topics in human biology and medicine. From gene editing and the microbiome to mRNA vaccines and wearable tech, the future of medicine is incredibly promising. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Science Simplified.